3, 2, 1. Here we go. Whoa! Tropical storm Nicole has winds of 70 miles per hour. It's moving. Tornado warning issued for this area right here for most of the viewing area aside from Okeechobee County, which is under a tropical storm watch. You can see the center of the storm is over 200 miles away, and notice the track will take it towards the Big Bend area tonight. Also have this severe thunderstorm warning issued until 4:30 this afternoon across the western Bahamas tomorrow, and then potentially impacting us here in Florida over the weekend. Outer rain bands extending as far south as Fort Myers. No matter where you go in Palm Beach County, moderate to heavy rainfall out there. Guys, let's take a closer look at your Saturday forecast. Once again, mainly dry conditions as those showers and storms develop around the lake, tracking from southwest to northeast. So let's time it all out here for you. You could run into a few isolated severe storms. We'll be in the low 80s by 7 o'clock. I see you, Okeechobee, here at 73. So starting off the morning nice and cool. How about for your Sunday? Still hot and humid with highs in the upper 80s. Rain chances going up just a little bit more. Could see some falling iguanas Saturday and also Sunday morning. Whoa, 2 bottles down. Let's see, she's reaching for the lemon ups. Hot weather. Ooh. This afternoon, the temperatures will be, there we go, low 80s. Start to see the water go up the straw, just like a thermometer. And there you go. You have an anemometer. And if you take it outside, it will start to spin. Now, that is exactly how a cold front works in our atmosphere, but you're just able to see it at a smaller scale. When it rains, it'll start to fill up and you'll be able to see how much rain fell. This meteor shower is not known for those big trails. Raindrops are forced to go up into the cloud where temperatures can reach below freezing. Sees about 50 tornadoes a year. The top states for tornado activity: Texas, Kansas, and believe it or not, Florida. On average, we see over 60 tornadoes a year, but most of them are on the weaker side, so an EF0 to about an EF2. Today, no threat for tornadoes or anything like that. Barely any rainfall expected, and that's because we have high pressure in control of the forecast. If you remember from Weather 101, maybe in school, in order to get things like clouds, rainfall, thunderstorms, we need that rising air. Well, high pressure is sinking air. So as long as high pressure is around, our rain chances will remain pretty low. So today, going all the way through the end of the work week, high pressure sticks with us. Then eventually over the weekend, high pressure will start to move away. We see this front start to move a little bit closer, and that will increase our chances for rainfall as we head into the weekend and early next week. Up until that point, though, rain chances only about 10 to 20% through about Friday. Just a stray shower and thunderstorm possible. Saturday, we're up to a 30% chance for showers and storms, and then by Sunday and Monday, a 40% chance for rainfall. On the water today, seas running about 2 to 3 feet, a high threat for rip currents and a moderate chop in our inland waters. High tide is around 7 o'clock this morning, low tide around 1:30 this afternoon. So forecast high for today, 88 degrees, partly sunny, low rain chances, and then overnight lows down to the mid to upper 70s. Mild and muggy conditions into the night. If you have any outdoor plans, best to do it earlier rather than later. Take a look at these temperatures warming up very quickly. By around 12 o'clock, we'll be in the mid 80s, upper 80s this afternoon, and then down to the low 80s by this evening. Wednesday, Thursday, keeping it hot and muggy. Temperatures will be back to the low 90s starting Friday, going all the way through early next week. And then again, rain chances starting to go up as we head into